Imagine this. You're scrubbing your kitchen countertop with a widely used cleaning product, unknowingly releasing harmful toxins into your home. It seems unthinkable, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this scenario is far from fiction? In today's world, many of us have a cleaning cabinet filled with big-name brands. There's shiny labels promising gleaming surfaces and germ-free homes. But hidden behind these promises lurks a less appealing reality. You see, many of these cleaning products are loaded with components that can be toxic to our families, a shocking fact that often gets swept under the rug. These toxins aren't just some minor annoyance, they can have serious impacts on our health and well-being. From causing skin irritations and allergies to more severe implications like respiratory issues, hormone disruption, and even cancer. And it's not just us humans at risk. Our pets, who spend much of their time lounging on the very surfaces we clean, are also exposed to these harmful chemicals. But how can this be? Why are these products still on our shelves? Well, the answer lies in the lack of regulation. In many regions, cleaning product manufacturers aren't required to disclose all their ingredients. This means that potentially harmful chemicals can be hidden under vague terms like fragrance or cleaning agent. It's easy to assume that if a product is available in stores, it must be safe. But the reality is, many of these products may contain hazardous chemicals that can cause health problems when we are constantly exposed to them. They might make our homes look clean, but at what cost? So the question we need to ask ourselves is, are we cleaning our homes or are we just spreading harmful toxins around? The harmful effects of toxic components extend far beyond our homes. These words may sound dramatic, but the truth is they're anything but. When we think of cleaning products, we often envision sparkling countertops, gleaming windows, and fresh-smelling linens. Rarely do we consider the unseen impact of the toxic components these products may contain. You see, toxic components in products don't just disappear. Toxins can be washed down our drains, traveling through our plumbing systems, and eventually finding their way into our rivers and oceans. Once there, they become a significant source of water pollution. And it's not just a matter of murky waters or unsightly foam. The real concern is what these toxins do to the creatures that call these bodies of water home. Marine life is incredibly sensitive to changes in their environment, and toxins can wreak havoc on their delicate ecosystems. Fish, crustaceans, and even microscopic plankton can be affected. They can suffer from diseases, genetic mutations, and in severe cases, widespread die-offs. And when one species suffers, the entire food chain feels the ripple effects. But it's not just aquatic life that's at risk. Toxins can also leach into the soil, affecting terrestrial wildlife and plants. This not only disrupts local ecosystems, but can also impact our food systems, as toxins can make their way into the crops we grow and the animals we raise for food. So while our cleaning products may leave our homes looking spotless, they may be causing a mess elsewhere. Toxins in products are not just harming us and our families, but also the environment that sustains us all. It's alarming, isn't it? But there's hope. By understanding the unseen impact of these toxins, we can make more informed choices about the products we use in our homes. We can opt for safer, more environmentally friendly alternatives. It's not just our health at stake, it's the health of our planet. So next time you pick up that cleaning product, remember, your choices matter. Let's be mindful of the unseen impact and strive for a cleaner, safer world, not just within our homes, but beyond them too. But there is a sustainable and safe solution: plant-based cleaning products. Welcome to a world where cleaning doesn't have to mean working with chemicals that may be toxic. Instead, it can mean embracing the power of nature with plant-based cleaning products. These are cleaning agents that are derived from natural ingredients like essential oils, citrus fruits, and even vinegar. These substances are not only non-toxic but also biodegradable, making them safe for you, your family, and the planet. The beauty of plant-based cleaning products lies in their simplicity. While many people make cleaning products at home, you can purchase these cleaners in a concentrated, ready-to-use package. Add water to the concentrate, and you have a much more competitive price compared to your old national store brands. This saves you a lot of money and energy. Also, a considerable amount of time can be saved because the cleaners can be delivered directed to your home. But don't let their simplicity fool you. These natural cleaners are just as effective, if not more so, than their chemical counterparts. They can tackle dirt and grime without leaving behind harmful residues or emitting volatile organic compounds, VOCs. This means that using plant-based cleaning products can actually improve your indoor air quality, making your home a healthier place to live. In addition to their cleaning power, these products also have another advantage: they are kind to your wallet. Many brand name cleaning products contain a lot of water. Why do you need to pay extra money for the water in brand name cleaners? It would make more sense to just buy the pre-packaged natural ingredients that do the cleaning, making natural cleaning products a cost-effective alternative to conventional cleaning products. So why not give plant-based cleaning products a try? You'll be surprised at how well they clean, and you'll love the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're not exposing yourself or your family to harmful chemicals. You'll also be doing your part to reduce pollution and waste, making our planet a cleaner, healthier place for future generations. With these products, you can keep your home clean without compromising your health or the environment. Switching to plant-based cleaning products can make a significant difference. You may wonder how. It's simple. By making this switch, you reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals that lurk in many conventional cleaning products. These toxic components are not only a threat to your well-being, but also to the environment. Plant-based products, on the other hand, are born from nature. They are created with ingredients that are biodegradable and non-toxic. This means that they break down naturally and don't contribute to pollution. Plus, they're just as effective, if not more so, at tackling dirt and grime, leaving your home sparkling clean without the chemical residue. In addition to benefiting your health, plant-based products are kinder to our planet. Every time you choose to clean with these products, you're reducing the demand for chemical-laden alternatives. This means less pollution in our waterways, less harm to aquatic life, and less contribution to the global pollution crisis. It's a win for you and a win for Mother Earth. But the power of switching to plant-based cleaning products doesn't stop there. It's more than just a personal choice. It's a statement. It's a way of saying, I care about my health, my home, and the world I live in. It's a way of taking action, of making a difference. Because every time you choose plant-based, you're part of the solution. You're part of the movement towards a cleaner, greener, healthier world. And the beauty of it is, making this switch is simple. Plant-based cleaning products are readily available and often competitively priced. So it's an action that anyone and everyone can take. By choosing plant-based cleaning products, you're not just making a decision for your home, you're making a decision for your health and the health of our planet. So why not harness the power of plants in your cleaning routine? Make the switch today and be part of the change for a better tomorrow. You may be wondering, how can I start using plant-based cleaning products? Well, let's dive right into it. The journey towards a greener, cleaner home starts with one small step. It's a gradual process, and it doesn't have to be overwhelming. One practical tip is to start small. Consider beginning with just one room in your house. Maybe it's your bathroom, where you can replace your harsh chemical toilet cleaner with a plant-based alternative. Or perhaps it's your kitchen, swapping out the synthetic dish soap for a natural, biodegradable one. By starting in one area, you can gradually familiarize yourself with plant-based products and their effectiveness. Another strategy is to replace one product at a time. When your conventional laundry detergent runs out, for instance, opt for a plant-based one next time. This way, the transition won't feel like a radical overhaul, but a manageable, step-by-step change. It's also crucial to do your homework. Not all products labeled as natural or green are genuinely so. Labels can be very hard to read and understand. A lot of negative information can be hidden in very small fine print, so don't forget to read the labels. Look for ingredients that are plant-derived rather than petroleum-based. Avoid products with phosphates, phthalates, or synthetic fragrances, which can be harmful to both your health and the environment. Lastly, remember that green cleaning extends beyond products. It's also about practices. Simple habits such as using less product, reusing containers, and recycling can significantly contribute to reducing your environmental footprint. So there you have it. Making the switch to plant-based cleaning products isn't a daunting task. It's a journey that starts with a single step. Start by scheduling a one-on-one talk with me at the link displayed to find out where to get high-quality plant-based cleaning supplies. Thank you for listening. Remember, every small change adds up. Your choice to switch to plant-based cleaning products can make a world of difference.